Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I had a few people who had asked me about the sound kit from the Game of Bricks lighting kit for Optimus Prime. So this is going to be just a quick little video that shows you all the different sounds that Optimus Prime makes. Now normally these two wires would be in here, but I just left them out for right now, just because I haven't been able to set it up inside Optimus Prime yet. The first thing that you should know is that when installing the sound kit, once you plug the speaker in and you go to plug the power in, make sure to have the remote with you. So once you plug it in, you have to press the power button for 3 seconds. That's going to activate the remote. That's kind of where I fell into a little problem, where the sound wasn't working. You have to activate the remote in order to have everything work properly. So if you hit the power button, the red button on top here, plays the original. It plays the original Transformers theme song, and it lights it up. There is a button right next to the power button, which is a music button, which will turn the music on and off. There's these 3 buttons on the side, 1, 2, and 3. If you hit the 1 button, kind of like the music from the show. Number 2 button. So you see different lighting things happen, especially like with the eyes, the jetpack, and then the number 3 button is going to be the same as the number 1 button. It does have the volume buttons on here, and it also has the brightness levels for the lights, which you can dim or you can make brighter. But there are also these buttons down at the bottom, these colored buttons down here. So if you hit the number 1 key, that's the yellow key. And now the orange key, the number 2. But you know what? Let me do this. Alright, so what we did was we hit the number 2 button on the side. So if you hit the number 2 button on the side, brings this up here. And then if you hit the number 1 key, the yellow key, it's only going to show up the regular lights here. The orange key, number 2, activates his eyes. The red number 3 key activates the jetpack. Red number 4. Then the blue number 5. That's going to activate his feet. Number 6. I have a feeling that has to do with the battle axe. And I mean, that's pretty much the sound kit for the Optimus Prime. It is pretty cool, you know, to have different things going. I like it when just the eyes are up. You know, you can turn the lights on and off with these buttons. And then if you just want like the eyes up, you just hit it just like that, and the eyes will just glow like that. So having him sit in a nice dark room, it's kind of cool. But yeah. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Again, it's not that hard to set it up, but you know, it did take a little bit of Googling to figure out about the sound, how to activate the remote with the sound. Thanks again for stopping in. Hit that like and subscribe, and you guys all have a great day. Once you do that, it's going to light up. So you can hit the power button. Of course, it's not going to work now, right? Ah, that's why.